Hello YouTube, this is Mom Gaming for the win, and today I have a special video for you. This is a Java game development log of my game that I'm working on. It is a 2D game right now. I'm going to be creating a 3D game as well, but so I thought, I'm going to go for the easier route first because 3D is quite hard. And I thought I'd create this little 2D game, and I am going to be working over time. This will be my first real life game. I have created like other games, like Hangman, I guess I created when I was learning Java. I created like counter time readers and everything, but not actually full games. I did start a full game a while ago, but I didn't actually publish it. I just put my mic up a bit. I think should have went up. If it didn't, oh well. you know. If you can hear me now, well done. Yeah, clap, 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 clap. Okay, so anyway, let's get started. Right now, I've locked it on 30 FPS on Fraps because I'm recording with Fraps, but it's going up to 40. Oh well. Okay. Right now I have the FPS counter on my actual game. I do get more than this much FPS. Uh, just saying. I'm not too sure. I get over 200. I'm sure about that. It's just called Mohammed's game right now because I'm Mohammed and it's my game. I don't know what to name it. Okay, so all you see in front of you right now is the player. Okay, there was a better map before, but this one we'll have to use around because what I've added is something called a random map generator. If you want to learn how to make a Java game too, you can head over to a guy called the Cherno Project. He goes through all the basics of game programming and then all the advanced, and then he gets higher and higher and higher. Teaches you all of that. If you don't know Java at all, head over to a guy called the New Boss, and he will teach you Java from basics to like really high level. I'm learning off him. I'm still learning Java myself. I thought I might as well just create a game while I'm learning Java. It'd be a little bit of fun. What this font is actually. Think I'm using like custom, not a custom font, but soon I will be using a custom font. Just saying. Sorry about that. Because custom fonts are better. I say a lot. So let's get into this devlog. Okay, it's not going to be too long. It's not going to be too short. And let's get started. Okay, no. As you see this little blue thing at the start, I don't know if you can see my mouse or not, but if you can see like a little blue square with a little triangle, like a little face in it, kind of. Not really. That is a quarter. It's my player has like 4 of these blocks. It's actually just split into one because that's all I've rendered so far. I will be rendering the rest out for the next video, and it should be out. There should be a couple more features. But for now, we have this, and we have text on screen, and I'll show you about that in a second. What they do. So these are just normal grass blocks. These are generated randomly all across the map. As you see this blue void, this is just non-map, so I don't get array out of bound exceptions, because if I get them then the game's going to crash and there's going to be kind of a fail game. Okay, so to move left and right, of course, just DA, DA, DA. Oh, I was on a block. Whoa! DA or left mouse. I've set them both up so they both work. Okay, these maps are pretty large. They're 64 by 64, so 64 blocks across and 64 blocks down. They will be increasing, I think. This just depends. There's not going to be a random map next time. It's going to be an actual map, and 4 players going to be there. So if we just head this way, we can just see. We can move through this area. We could even move through this. Why freaking not? Dude, yeah, the best game of forever. I shouldn't really be on that side because that's just out of bounds, isn't it? And that's kind of cheating. I will be adding something there, like a black tile or something. Actually, no, something I don't know. I actually don't have a clue. A green tile. I haven't named the game yet. That's why it's just called Mohammed's game. But see, this is the end, and we reach about not exactly, but my play is actually going a lot faster than usual. It shouldn't be going this fast. Oh my God, no. What have I done? Okay. Well, while I was playing this, I'm actually recording with errors. So I've got to get them fixed. Not too happy about that. Anyway, let's get it on. We can move up and down. So we go up to 1,000 on this because it's 64. Because my actual screen width is 100,000. So it'd go that big. Now if we go down, we go up to 600, 1,000 again. I'm not too sure. I think the map's 1,000 by 1,000. I'm just confused, I don't know. I just done it. I forgot, because yeah, it is 1,000 by 1,000. Okay, so let's just head into this corner, and yep, here we are. It's not really exact, but I can't really move it exact unless I like with that. Wait that. Didn't. Oh no. Okay, with oh. I don't want to. Okay. Oh well, that doesn't work out very well. But that's what I have right for now. It doesn't move. It doesn't have any animation to it. This blue bit here, I'm actually gonna remove it because it shouldn't be there. I don't like it there. I don't want it there. That's gonna go. I don't know if it's gonna go by next devlog because I don't know how easy that is to remove. I think it'll be probably easy. I'll just have a look. My next one I should be getting a couple of stuff. I'll finish off the player. I'll be adding other kind of stuff. Okay, this is actually I copied. Oh, I couldn't really create my own player, so the Cherno project got this thing called King Cherno off a fan or something, and I just like edited a bit of it. Yeah, I used it. I'm not gonna use it for the actual game. Don't worry, guys. I'm not gonna flip and rip them off like that. I'll just rob his thing. I'm actually gonna be going. I am actually gonna be creating my own character that will look 10 times better. I'm only joking, Cherno. Yeah, actually, Cherno did not actually create this. A fan or a buddy of his or something like that, or more like a friend of that. Created it for him. Also, you may have realized I can go through these grass blocks. These are actually grass blocks. They're really low resolution grass blocks for now. They will improve over time, but for now they will stay the size. Can I get on one? Oh yes, exactly. So right now I'm at 512 and 672 inside a block. Okay, no one can actually tell the block there. Dun, 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 dun. Anyway, I'm gonna tell you a bit about my game while I just travel around this map. Okay, will multiplayer work? Well, of course, I love multiplayer. I want to play with friends. I don't always want to play single player. Some reason. Will there be combat in the game? I love games with combat. Of course, there's gonna be combat, guys. A game without combat is like a game without it's not a real game. Actually, no, FIFA's alright, and like racing games like Forza Horizon, that's such a good game. Need for Speed. So will there be like guns and stuff? In a way, but not in a way. Like things that fire out of you, yeah. Like you can throw rocks and stuff. Will there be mining? Like mining blocks in the game? Like if there was stony, I could just go. I don't know. Mine. Crap. Mine. Okay, and then pick it up and then go off. I've got an inventory and stuff. I'm not too sure about that. I think I might add it. I think I might not. It depends. If I don't add it in the end, then I don't. I'm not gonna say I'm gonna add something because I'm not too sure. Am I? Anything could happen, but I am sure that there is actually gonna be an actual map soon. You know, maybe not by next devlog, but hopefully by the third one. If you have enjoyed this video so far, well, if you think this is cool, I know, joke. I watch a lot of devlogs online. I think they're really cool. I think it's cool that people do create like games, you know, of their own for like whatever. But this game hopefully will turn out successfully, and it will turn out like a good game that all my subscribers can play. Yes. So if you are subscribed, you will keep up with all these devlogs that I'm creating. Right now, this is nothing. This is just a map with a player in, but it does go in quite advanced. I can't actually show you the code right now because Camtasia is not working for me for Windows 8 because it's flipping an idiot. But I've got like let me just see something. How many packages? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packages, and each package at least holds 1 to 3 classes and over 200 lines in each class. That's not a lot, I know, but you know, still for each class that is quite a bit. Well, this is basic, so that's how much I needed just to create this, you know, just to get this started. You may just think that yes, it's just a block in the middle. He must have just rendered a little block. That's not true, guys. This is actually thingy. This is an actual player. This is actually rendered another player. You shouldn't think of it as rendering just a block in the middle because then it wouldn't work out. You can tell it's a player because it will start doing collision detection with these blocks and stuff. It will start actually having movement and stuff. Then it will look more like a player. Right now, it just looks like there's a dot in the middle, just moving around, but it's not really, is it? It did used to be at the corner. I can't move it around wherever I want on the screen. Also, I will add, like, you know when you get to a corner like this, see that you got that corner off, yeah? I will add that the player starts moving that way up and not the whole frame. Of course, because it might look a bit cooler, it might not. I don't know if I'm going to add that. Is it better to keep it in the center so it looks a bit better? But oh well, anyway, if you did enjoy, please subscribe to keep up to date with the next devlog. It might be either next week or the week after. It's not going to be daily devlogs because I don't have time for that. Or I've got to work on my game. I've got other stuff to do in my life as well. Of course, like everyone else. So I've got a lot of things to catch up with. Either next week I'll do a devlog or the week after. I am enjoying making this game, but I just can't make it 24/7. There will be a lot of things in this game. Well, not a lot, but pretty decent things, okay? Please like the video to show me that you appreciate it, or whatever, if you like it or something. If you don't like the video, you can leave a dislike if you want, but you kind of just wasted your time watching my whole video and then disliking it, haven't you? But that's really your choice. If you want to do that, go ahead. Comment down below on what you think of the game so far. If you want to just say, oh yeah, it's crap, you got nothing in it, go ahead, you know. Although I've explained that this is a brand new game that I've just started. I've just literally started like 2-3 weeks ago. So I don't really care, you know. You can hate on me, you can like on me. It's really your choice, okay? I can't control what you do. So this video has lasted about 11 minutes. Hopefully the other devlogs will last about this long too, because I don't want to make them too long. I will be adding like mobs as well. What should we class as a mob? Like, have you ever played the game Minecraft? You can get like mobs as in entity, mobs as in like zombies and stuff, can't you? Also, a player is a mob too. I've actually got one mob on the screen right now. I'd class it as a mob. It's also classed as an entity as well, but you know, still, we'll class it as a mob. There will be other mobs that will actually fight you, so hostile mobs, as you may class it as, that will fight you in this game, because that would be pretty cool. And you can fight back. Piam, 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 piam. I will be adding custom fonts, because I'm not going to use this font, because I want custom fonts, because I like custom fonts, and I want my own font. Okie dokie. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and see you later.